Hello, this is Todd Bradley, principal at Craven Early College, and we'd like to welcome all of our graduates as we get prepared for the graduation celebration for the class of 2020. I have a brief presentation for you as we prepare for this awesome opportunity to get together and celebrate our graduates. As I set up the presentation, we'll kind of walk us through how we need to get prepared for Monday and Tuesday, Monday, June 15th, and Tuesday, June the 16th. And to begin with, our vision is college, career, and life ready each and every day. And we're at a point to be able to celebrate your child and also celebrate with our families. Just a checklist before coming. Make sure that you bring your cap and gown. You pick those up from the bookstore. Phone number is 638-7259. Go ahead and get those either today or tomorrow. Cap can be decorated but can only be as high as a tassel button on the cap, on top of the hat, and school appropriate. Caps and gowns can be purchased. We will have your honor cords for you as you come into Oringer. Family members, you can have up to 2. 1 ticket per family member, and a staff member will take the ticket to allow you entry into Oringer Hall. Dress appropriately. Ms. Blaylock has sent you an email on details about that. Dresses look best for females, and make sure hem of dress is not longer than the hem of gown. Dark dress pants look best for males with white collared shirt and dress shoes. What time do I need to be there? This is super important that we're on schedule because this helps Mike and WCTI with the flow of the video. We want this video to be special for you and your family so we can share on June 25th at 7 p.m. Make sure the whole family arrives 15 minutes early into the parking lot. And if you have an appointment, then your whole family needs to be ready in the parking lot 5 next to Oringer. We will have a route set up for you guys, so there's one-way flow of traffic. And then 5 minutes before your appointment, make sure you're outside of the door to the right in Oringer so the nurse can check your temperature. Make sure you have your cap and gown ready to go. Also, safety protocols. We're following Governor Cooper's Phase 2, Executive Order number 141, and also the protocols at Craven Community College, because it is on a college campus. What is different about Phase 2? Allows people to gather together for social purposes, so long as they do not exceed the mass gathering limit of 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors. So we have CEC staff, Craven Community College staff, and also our graduate and 2 family members. That'll keep us within that Phase 2 order, keeping everybody safe while we celebrate all of your accomplishments. Just a reminder of the 3 W's, wear, wait, and wash. We've been practicing those as a staff, and also we want to make sure we follow those as you guys come on campus. The safety protocol for Craven Community College, we're abiding by their protocol. Make sure there's an appointment. Your child, they've chosen to participate, has already set up those appointments. And make sure you arrive 15 minutes early in the parking lot, and then 5 minutes before your appointment outside of Oringer, and then be ready to be celebrated and walk across the stage to get your diploma. As the process goes, there's a flow to it. We'll have a nurse from Craven County Schools. Make sure you bring and wear your mask. You can take those off as you enter the building. The nurse will check your temperature and before you go into Oringer. And please do not attend if you're not feeling well or have a fever. If you or your family member has a temperature, you will not be allowed to enter Oringer. Station 2, graduate and 2 family members will be waiting in the foyer area. We'll have a staff member to help you with that. It'll either be Miss Blaylock or Miss Edwards. Make sure you use the restroom before coming into Oringer. We have to go in the right flow so that video looks special, it's crisp, and it looks very professional for you and your family. You will proceed to the top of the steps on the right side of the stage in Oringer Auditorium, and you will be prompted what to do. And Mike from WCTI will be there with one of the other lead photographers to help walk you through the process. You get a chance to have a big smile, receive your diploma, and also after you come off the stage, get a photo opportunity with your family. We'll also provide a little special surprise on how we're going to turn our tassels. Mike is working on that. That'll be a little surprise for everybody. So just the flow and where to go for the parking lot. Parking lot 5, as you see. is up in this area. Enter lot 5 next to Oregon Hall 15 minutes earlier than a scheduled appointment. Make sure your cap and gown is ready to go, and you've got your 2 tickets from your family member, and your cap and gown is your ticket to come in. Make sure your camera is ready also. Second step, arrive outside of Oregon Hall 5 minutes earlier than scheduled appointment. Get temperature checked by Craven County Schools nurse, and then we'll have Miss Quinn in the front area receiving those 2 tickets. Then you will enter the foyer and wait for Miss Blaylock or Miss Edwards to allow you into the auditorium. We're keeping that number at 10 or below inside Oregon Auditorium during our whole process on Monday and Tuesday. This process is Monday, June 15th, and also Tuesday, June the 16th. Your child has their scheduled appointment. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and check with them. It has been sent via email several times to our graduating seniors that are participating. Proceed to graduation celebration photo opportunity with the family. Then after your photo opportunity, you'll receive your graduation packet. And then you will exit the parking lot or exit Oregon Hall and go back into lot 5. So you start here in lot 5. You'll come in, if you're facing Oregon, in that right door, foyer area, auditorium, stage, photo opportunity, graduation packet, and back out. So everybody's moving in the same direction, basically in a clockwise fashion. So we're not crossing pathways, just for your safety and our staff safety. Photo opportunity, we need your help with this. We know this is a very special moment in your child's lives. We are super excited for them, and it's a photo opportunity that you can have with your child. So we'll have Miss Johnson at that station, and to keep things moving very efficiently, you need to make sure you have an opportunity to take a picture with your graduate, family and graduate, graduate and 1 guest, and graduate and a 2nd guest. So that's about 3 to 4 minutes, because there's only 10 minutes that you'll have by the time you enter, go across the stage, photo opportunity, and get your graduation packet. It has to move smoothly so it works for the best for the whole graduation process and our team. So as you proceed to pick up your graduation packet, you'll receive that. And also make sure you utilize, have 1 device, and we'll have a staff member there to help take pictures, and we'll keep it safe as we exchange the camera. So all of this will be put together by Mike and his team at WCTI. I want to thank those guys for taking the time out Monday and Tuesday to use their expertise to celebrate you as all the hard work that you put in, celebrate your family. We know it's not exactly ideal what we envision as we start the school year or as you started your high school career and college career, but we will provide this opportunity for you, and this video will be shared, and it could be shown on YouTube. It'll be a YouTube link produced and directed by our front office staff. Apologize for that. And we provide a link for graduates, their families, and friends, so the Craven Early College graduation celebration can be viewed on Thursday, June 25th at 7 p.m. A big thanks to Mike and his team at WCTI to help make this a special event during a difficult time for our graduating seniors. Thank you to Craven County Schools and the Board of Education for the pictures of our graduating class of 2020 on the giant LCD screens in James City. Also, just to remind you, you have a second opportunity to be celebrated. Craven Community College commencement is Saturday, June 27th. You will have your graduation day. It's the 53rd commencement. It'll be celebrated on the New Bern campus as a drive-through ceremony at 8 a.m. Arrival, graduates will be required to arrive on campus between 7 and 7:30 a.m. to be parked and ready for the ceremony's 8 a.m. start. Only 1 vehicle per graduate will be admitted to the commencement ceremony. Graduates should arrive dressed in their cap and gown. Inclement weather, backup plan. Check the website for Craven Community College. And also, there's a phone number you can call at 638-7200 if there's inclement weather and it disrupts the celebration. Degrees, diplomas, and certificates will be mailed to graduates by June 15th. And then Craven Community College commencement questions, 633-0196. Congratulations to our graduating class of 2020. We appreciate your cooperation to make this a special event for your child, also your family, and your friends. Thank you for all of your support.